Natatay ka na. Ha? Natatay ka na. Ha?
I'm actually gonna murder you.
What?
What?
So flippin' Moringa leaves, Kevin coming out.
He's here. Why are you angry?
Honestly, I'm shitting myself there to pieces. I'm crying because it's hurting.
Oh, that is not
Baby, don't cry. Cause there's always tomorrow. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel, Kevin Meets.
Hello.
So guys, it's very early morning here in Thailand. It's already like 5 o'clock and we are going to travel.
4:30.
4:30, yeah. We are going to, yeah, 5 o'clock is our
Leave time.
leave time. Departure, we call it
Departure.
departure.
Departure. Ah, look at your English, man.
Guys, we are now going on an island. This island, it is called Koh Kud.
Our favorite island
Yeah.
now. We're going there like all the time. This is actually our second time there.
This is like a last minute vacation because it's been like 8 months we did not travel since the time, since last year, since January, right?
Yes. Because I've been so busy, guys. I've been studying. Your girl has been studying so hard. So we deserve this holiday. We can't wait.
I'm working, Chanel is working, so we don't have time to go on a holiday. Only this month.
Yes. We both have 1 week vacation. So we're taking advantage and we're going finally together to a beautiful island.
This is what I want.
Me too.
Maybe I should resign to my work and just be like this. Be a house husband,
No, you need money.
and you just work for me. Is that okay?
No, you need to work for me.
Okay guys, we're gonna see you later then. I'm gonna vlog this 5-day trip. It's gonna be a 5-day trip on this island, guys. This paradise, Koh Kud.
Really exciting. Bye-bye.
So we're gonna wait for the driver here, the one who will take us to the ferry. Ferry and then another hotel or a jeep. Sa mga oras na to ay nag-aalala na kami ni Chanel dahil wala pa ang bus na magsusundo sa amin. Ano ba yan? Hintay namin yung van, guys. Wala pa rin dumadating. Medyo kinakabahan na kami ni Chanel kasi supposed to be 5 o'clock. Dapat nandito na yung van. So, tingnan natin kung dadating yung ating sundo. Pagkatapos namin maghintay ng kalahating oras ay sa wakas dumating na rin ang bus na magsusundo sa amin papunta sa pier. Yeah, it's a big bus.
Oh, you're good. No, stay with it. Oh, wow, not a man. It's a bus.
Ako yung nagdala ng unan, ako yung nagdala ng kumot, tapos iba yung gumamit. Natatay ka na. Ha? Natatay ka na.
What?
Stop over, I'm told. You wanna poo-poo? Guys, our food. We are on break time. Huh?
I'm actually gonna murder you.
What?
What?
So flippin' Moringa leaves, Kevin coming out.
He's here. Why are you angry?
Honestly, I'm shitting myself there to pieces. I'm crying because it's hurting.
At dahil masakit ang tiyan niya, binilan ko siya ng mga pagkain na kailangan niya at gayon din ang gamot na kanyang kailangan inumin. This is safe for you.
Hmm?
This is
That
safe
one?
for you.
Are you sure?
Mama love. Muntik na kami maiwan ng bus guys dahil napakatagal niya mag-CR. Ang inaalala ko lang ngayon ay sana umayos na ang kanyang sikmura dahil matatagalan na naman ang aming stopover. Just one.
I need two. I need two.
No, only one.
I need two.
Only one channel. This is very important.
I need two.
I used to jump without looking.
We have to go here in the middle.
Final destination. Hi guys, we are now here at the pier station. Sa wakas, dumating na rin kami dito sa pier kung saan sasakay kami ng ferry na magdadala sa amin papunta sa island ng Coco. Pero bago ang lahat ay bumili muna kami ng aming paboritong shake. Pero hindi na nainom ni Chanel ang mango shake dahil sumakit na naman ang kanyang tiyan at iniwan na naman ako. Yeah.
In your eyes, the ocean met the sky.
We are here, guys. Yeah, smile, look.
We're getting our luggage. Our backpack.
Look. You excited, baby?
Yeah, so excited. We're finally here again. 37.
Sunset jet, huh?
Sunset.
Sunset.
Sunset ba?
Far East.
Far East.
Far East?
Yes, Far East. Medyo matarik kaya kailangan talaga namin ayusin ang upuan na aming ginagamit. Kaya nag-decide si Manong driver na ayusin na muna ito sa kalagitnaan ng daan. Up. It's okay. Ito lang. Yes. Wadi Cup. How are you? Kevin. Yes. 5 nights.
How long did you stay?
5 days. Yeah, Chanel, right. Inabot pala kami ng 5,400 baht sa 5 araw na pag-stay namin sa lugar na ito. Sulit na sulit at napakaganda talaga ng lugar, guys. Nagrenta na rin kami ng motor ng 5 araw namin gagamitin. Inabot kami ng 1,200 sa pagrerenta ng motor. Nice to meet you, Kapungka.
I love it, so cute. I love swings. I want to swing every day, guys. I'm on holiday.
We have a lot of coconut trees.
Wow.
Coconut nut is a giant nut. Wow, this is where we're going to stay. Really? Wow, very nice, very beautiful. This is where we stay for 5 days, guys. Beautiful. Tom Conat Cocoon with Chanel. So we have this one, kaupat rice, kaupat kai, fried rice chicken, and I don't know what this. It's like a vegetable.
Chinese kale.
Kaitiho, omelette. Pagkatapos namin kumain ni Chanel ay dumiretso na talaga agad kami sa beach. Gustong-gusto niya na kasi talaga lumangoy guys at sobrang excited na rin talaga siya.
Yeah.
We're gonna swim.
To the beach. I think that's right. Orchid.
Orchids.
Yeah.
This is a rubber tree. Oh, banana! Oh, that is not good. I am jealous. You know what, my love? We've been through so much, but moments like this remind me how blessed we are.
It's not about having everything. It's about enjoying the simple things, like this.
Oh, let it go. Sabo, look there. Be a stunt woman. Can you do a back time? Uy! 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 Nakakapagod ang buong araw pero ito si Chanel parang hindi napapagod. Oh. Like it? It's fresh? It's fresh? No. We are now finally home. So this day is really good and really nice. And Chanel is happy too. Ang pagod sa biyahe ay pansamantala. Pero ang mga ala-alang ito ay pangmatagalan.
Videos on your honeymoon.
Why are you being aggressive?
Had a honeymoon.